Hello, welcome back to another one. We are still on the same box. Tangled again. Just see how we get on with this for now. Nice colours. Okay, Daisy and Eve, we have earrings and necklace set. There. Yeah, it's nice enough. That'll go in a new lot, I suppose. I often change my mind. That's broken. I mean, these are big glass beads and it feels like elox or aluminium, but I think the quality is quite poor, which is a shame because they're nice beads. Yeah, pair of fashion earrings. Yeah, like that. They're quite nice. If you like that sort of thing. Almost like baubles. Maybe they are baubles. I don't know. They'll go in pair of earrings. Just like a little corsage stretchy bracelet. A few different colours to give that. That's gonna go, isn't it? Yeah. It's broken. Let's undo you while we can. Right, so you can come out of there. That's a little earring. Bangle. Plastic beads. The teddy bear on the end. Bangle. That's gonna go glass, schwa. Yeah, you can just cut straight off anyway. That'll go in my glass lot, and this will go in the bin. It's a broken hair clip for the bin. Oh, are these some sort of prayer beads? Quite well worn. Yeah, very worn. I'm going to put that in broken. Some clip-ons. They've certainly seen better days. Well worn. They can go into broken earrings. It would have been quite nice new, but they're very plasticky. Just a plastic white and black beads necklace. Going chocolate. Try and pull it out gently. You might want to play ball. Earring or not. This one is next. Lucky, that was a multi-strand. Just like a little bib one, that'll go in a big lot. What wants to come out easily? That's a nice little rosary. Italy. Are you glass? Yeah, they're little glass beads. That'll go in a religious lot. If we can get these out easy. They are undone. I don't know why I'm whispering like they can hear me. Oh, that's well and truly stuck in there, isn't it? No, you're not. Oh, yeah, you are. That's just a tad annoying. Alright, so we've got It's like wire necklace, quite nicely done. No name. Going job lot. Oh, that's one earring. Okay. No name. Quite nice beads, plastic. I like how that's inside there. Doesn't twist. Yeah, that's quite nice. That can go in a job lot. This one is an Avon. Oh, that looks like a choker. It's very pretty. That would look nice on as a choker, wouldn't it? Go in a job lot. These twists. Right, let's undo you. Undo you. Oh, that's that one's tag. We don't need that. It doesn't need to be brand new, does it? That's causing problems. Okay, you are from... I'm sure I've seen that before, but I can't remember. CB? DB? Something like that. I can't remember. It's nice enough. That can just go in the top lot. Do you want to come undone? What are you attached to? Are you undone? It's just a chunky silver tone bracelet. Looks quite small, doesn't it? Looks tiny actually. Is it a bracelet? I bet it's broken off something. I'm going broken. I think we might have some more multi-strands here. Right, we've got a ring. Is that a mirror? Can you see yourself? Maybe, maybe not. That's for £1.50. That's tarnishing like it's silver. But it's a magnetic, so it's not. It must be silver plated or something. But yeah, that'll go in a job lot. Oh, the cord necklace has come undone. That's not in too sad condition. Made quite well actually. Quite nice. That'll go in a job lot. Right, this one. I don't know, I think we're just gonna have to go for it and try and rip it all out. Oh, there's the other half. It must have been a necklace or something. So that'll go in broken. Right, whatever this one is with the cord, it's gonna have to be cut because it is in everything. So if it's something special, sorry. Right, there's a broken bit. Because the way that it's just wrapped around everything is ridiculous. Right, so I don't know what that is. That's the broken bit. That's the broken bit. That's the broken bit. No more. I've got some chunky vintage plastic beads. They will go in plastic beads lot. purple ones have come free. Plastic beads lot. Plastic beads lot. They're a nice, like, almost mustardy yellow colour. Some glass beads. Very nice. Broken. Another broken bit. Right, what's going on here? Let's get you over there. Right, that's well worn, so that can go in there. This one. Are you actually a necklace or are you broken? Can't work this one out. I think that's broken, so that can go in broken. This. Seems like a multi-strand of something wrapped around this chunky chain. Yay, you want to come free. Is that a choker? It's weird, isn't it? How does it do up? Why can't I see the clasp? PJ. I can't see a clasp. Am I going blind? It's not a clasp. I'm going broken. It's boggling my mind. And that's just a little necklace. That's fine. What's next? Got a little baggie. It was £1. It's a little charm. It doesn't look like silver. I can't believe that it would be. We'll check it anyway. Right, we've got M&S bracelet. I'm going new. It's got a clasp on a clasp on a clasp. So maybe that should go on there, and then this comes off. Claire's. Yeah, that's okay. Going necklaces. Another tangly lot. It's quite unusual. It's heavy. That's just made me freezing cold. Yeah, stretchy bracelet. Accessorized earrings. Yeah, cute enough. They'll go in earrings. Magnetic wraparound cord. Bracelet. It's alright, it's not worn or anything. Cufflink. This is broken, whatever it is. Yeah, that going broken. An earring. It's worn off there. Sparkly. Nothing there. Another earring. I like that. Etched. And then diamond cut. Are you silver to go to that trouble? I think you might be. It says 375 full hallmarks. Very nice. I would love to see the other one of those. We'll test it anyway. Let's look for the other one now. Quick, quick, quick. Just joking. Clip-ons. Nice enough. Oh, you do have a name there, don't you? Monet again. Need cleaning up. I think that one's gone bad there. Yeah, it's gone green around here as well. Might be able to clean them up. If I put them in with like a job lot of them, might be okay if they can get cleaned up. Like the colours. Job lot. That's an earring. A piece of elastic for the bin. Just some beads. Stretch. Just a bangle, like a wrap around one. Just a dangly necklace. Patented. I don't know. That's what it says on there. Anyway. Can't pronounce the word. It's nice. Go there. Little flower style. Another glass one. It's an outstretched stretch. I've had the other one of that somewhere. In here. Yes, it is. Let's get you in there. They're a nice pair of earrings. Quite like them. Very in paired. It's like where to start with all the untangledness. Right, this stretch. There you go. Wow, look at that. This looks really well made with no name on it. Right, hold on. Oh, it's broken. Is it fixable? Oh, this stone's missing as well. That is a shame. Look at that. That is something my sister would wear to go shopping. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. Well, it would have been beautiful. Lovely. That's a shame. Just some plastic bead necklace. Nice. Hasn't come out yet. Possibly not. What's going on here? I can't work it out. Oh, okay, so it's a necklace with some dangles. Okay. And Gioni, something special. Oh, I don't think that's Ocean Breeze cup chain pendant. So that's not the proper tag. Okay. Let's take you off there then. The tag says Gioni. Has anyone seen that before? It's an unusual necklace. So it's like a acorn leaf pattern. There's a stone missing. I'm going to put that aside to look that up. I think that's interesting. That's a bit grotty. What's that one again? I need to like make a photo diary of what these names are, I think. That just doesn't look good, so I can go in there. What do you say? Stainless steel Somini. It's cute. Little bracelet. Probably a child's bracelet. I think I'll put that in kids. A little bit of mother of pearl. That's a bit of aventurine on there. No stamp. Claire's. What have you got on your little hearts? Okay, kids. What is this? Oh, I love that. Oh my gosh. Look at that toggle clasp made out of quartz. That is beautiful. I'm going to put that aside and untangle that and probably even wear it. We've got some amethyst, clear quartz, rose quartz, and I want to sit and untangle it now to try it on, but I'm not going to. I'm going to keep that. Anything want to come free? Oh, you're free. Little shell called necklace. It's in good condition. That can go in there. This is, oh, it's a multi-strand bracelet. CAVPL. Oh, is that some of the horoscopes? Pisces with a fish, Libra with the weighing scales, Virgo, don't know what that picture is. Cancer is the crab. A with a jug. That don't really make sense to me, but that can go in there. This is just a plain necklace. I'll put that in broken so we can use that. Love. It's got a lot of wear on the back. That can go in broken. That sticky rubbery stuff again. On cord. I'm going to break that off because I can't stand that stickiness. I'm going broken. Now we can rubbish. Right, is there anything else on free? It's weird and a weird colour. And it won't open. What is that on there? Another bit of rubber. Might do a kid. You look silver. What are you? Is there anything attached? Oh, a little glass pendant. It's got a mark on it. That looks silver to me too, so we'll test that. Be Delicious handbags and accessories. It's got an 0800 number as well. Plastic and metal. Quite nice, new. I'm going job lot. Pull this one out. Got a cooled one, some abstract plastic beads. It's quite fun if it weren't on cord. Oh, it has a clasp. Thank you so much. Let's do that up. Some plastic beads. That's nice enough. That'll go on a job lot. It's not tangled so bad, I don't think. I think that might be broke. Are you broke? Yeah. It's broken beads. Shame I like amber and green together colours. This one's free. Plastic. Oh, I think that's a bit of quartz there, but that's plastic. Strange. Bit of maybe howlite. Don't know what that one could be. I'm gonna put that aside with gemstones. Now I'm just making it worse, aren't I? I think I am. Right, is there something I can undo? You look pretty. Let's undo you. You look hallmarked as well. I think you're knotted and the clasp has come off from somewhere. That says 925. So I think that's supposed to be attached to that and then clips onto here. Some bezel set. Crystals or glass, faux pearls. It's very pretty. We'll test that as well. Right, you can come undone. Pull you out. What are you attached to? Okay, some daggly weird stuff, but you've come free. Yeah, what can I say? A block. So this is opalite and plastic. I'm going a gemstone. And long faux pearl plastic beads into the job lot. So we've got a couple of bits to test, not much to keep. Let's test the potential gold first. Should be, it had full hallmark. I couldn't read it, but it was a proper hallmark. Has that gone? No, still there, isn't it? Yes, so that one's not lying to me. So we have a tiny bit of gold. This one is not, so that'll go into gemstones. Let's try a few bits of this. We'll try a bit of the bezel. Looks promising. The chain. Looks good. The clasp. Looks good. And then this one, we'll do the clasp. And the wire. Lost tissue, keep getting in my way. Yes, 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 and yes. Oh. So yes, all components of those two silver necklaces are silver. Fabulous. I'll probably put the pendant in with my glass lot and then use the necklace for something else. Fix that. I think it just needs a little jump ring and a gold earring. Wonderful. I am going to put that, oh, let's leave that there because we've got that. This beautiful bracelet, I love how that has been done. That is amazing. I haven't seen that, I don't think, before. And a little pair of money earrings to see if we can clear up and maybe sell. That was worth it alone for me, just to see that. That is really good. Love that. So yeah, decent bag, not too many tangles. I'm happy with that. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.